Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna change the power steering fluid on my Kia Sedona 2018, and yes, it's the same way for every Kia and Hyundai. So we're gonna turn this black fluid into a brand new and fresh power steering fluid, synthetic. And to do this job you need to jack the car because we're gonna turn the steering wheel without starting a car. So we want to be able to turn the steering without any friction. First thing first, make sure you are on a jack stand, okay? So on some of the Kia Sedona, you're gonna have an electric pump, so you don't have this reservoir, okay? So for those of you who got this reservoir, you got a traditional power steering fluid pump. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, you're gonna open this cap, make sure it's clean all around it. So now we're gonna suck every ounce of fluid of this reservoir because this line goes to the power steering fluid, okay? And this is the line came from the power steering fluid. So this is where the nasty fluid come back into the reservoir. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this hose and put this hose in a plastic bottle to catch the old fluid and fill the reservoir with brand new fluid. So in this way the pump will suck slowly the new fluid and reject the old fluid. Some people gonna put kind of a little tube to a big capacity bucket. This is a nice way to do, but if you want to keep it simple, you can use a plastic bottle just like me. And you're gonna use this cheap sucking fluid pump, hand pump, whatever. You're gonna find it easily on Amazon. This is really great because you got a straw and you can suck all the fluid. So I'm gonna drain every ounces of this reservoir to don't make a mess, and I'm gonna put it on this jar to measure how much I extract of this system. Okay, that's it. So the reservoir holds somewhere around close to 200 milliliters. So now we're gonna be able to remove the return line like this, and you're gonna pull gently on it. And now I'm gonna take a simple water bottle like this, and we want to put something to make sure we're not gonna make a mess with the fluid. So now I'm gonna take just a piece of plastic like that and take a zip tie. Like this and like this. So now when I'm gonna fill the reservoir, fluid won't come back, and we're gonna feed the pump just with new fluid, and old fluid will come out this way. So as they said at power steering, sorry it's in French, we need PSF4 fluid, okay? Those kind of cheap fluid, what I mean by cheap is the price, and this is a good fluid, but in this case they recommend PSF4. What mean PSF4? Basically this is because it's synthetic power steering fluid. So this brand right there, OEM, is synthetic. And some dealer here in Quebec City, they not use synthetic blend when you do a service. They're gonna use a regular one. So it's up to you. I'm gonna use a little funnel neck, and now you can put some new fluid in it. And you're gonna turn the key to on without starting a car, and now you're gonna be able to turn the steering wheel freely back and forth a couple of times, and go check your bottle if she is full. And it's a great thing if you are too, because one can make sure that you fill the reservoir with new fluid during the time that you're turning the steering, and get the old fluid out of the tube. And you can repeat this process until the fluid in your bottle seems to be more clear. But in my case, I just change 1/4 of oil just to maintain the fluid. And just for you guys, I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you start the car with the pump, because this pump can put a lot of pressure and you're gonna blow out every old fluid everywhere in the engine bay. So I'm just gonna show you what not to do. Yes guys, I know that was stupid, but I want to test how much pressure and how things feels when you start the pump. But I recommend to do it this way if you start the car, but you have to make sure that you get a big bucket and a longer hose and someone to feed the reservoir during the time you do this. That can be very, very fast, okay? So I don't recommend you to do that if you are alone. Put new fluid in it. So now if you want to know where is your line, this is the cold side line, okay? And this is the hot side. So in this case my car is cold and we are right at the max. Okay, so this is it guys. You do the job by yourself, you save a ton of money, and it's the time to leave me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, because I make a lot of effort just to show you how I maintain my car. And I appreciate all of your message and comment that you put me down there. And I'm sorry by the way for my English, I know it, this is not my first language. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.